In this video, we're going to be talking about solving rational equations for a specified variable. So let's solve the following equations. So I'm going to rewrite the first example again over here, give us a little bit more room. I'm going to multiply both sides by the LCD, which in this case is ZV squared. On the left-hand side, just multiply everything together. On the right-hand side, the ZV squareds divide out. Left with P. Divide both sides by V squared W. And we've solved the equation for Z. Okay, let's take a look at the next example then. So then here, again, like this last problem, I'm going to multiply by the LCD. Well, in this particular case, because all three denominators have no factors in common, I'm just going to multiply by all the denominators, FPQ. Now, multiply every single term by the LCD. So here the F's divide out. Here the P's divide out. Here the Q's divide out. Okay, since we're solving for P, I'd like to get all of the terms that contain P on one side of the equation. So I'm going to subtract the FP. Okay, on the left-hand side, I can factor out a P. Now it's very easy to solve for P. Divide by the other factor, which in this case is Q minus F. And now we've solved for P. Okay, one other example. Again, I'll rewrite this problem here. Again, I'll multiply both sides by the LCD, which is AB. So on the left-hand side, just multiply everything together. On the right-hand side, the factors of AB divide out, so you're left with A plus B. Similarly to the last example, I want to get all my terms that contain B on one side, so I'm going to subtract B. Now, the two terms on the left, I can factor out a b from both terms. That leaves me with a y. B divided by b is 1. And again, now I can divide both sides by the other factor, which in this case is ay minus 1. And now we've solved the equation for b.